Everyone, thank you so much for coming to this absolutely beautiful day for a wedding. This beautiful ceremony to celebrate the love and commitment that these two special people have.
Macy, I have always wanted true love since I can remember. You came into my life not once but twice. I guess the universe had plans for us. Love doesn't come easy though. We both have pushed each other outside of our comfort zones and push each other's buttons. I promise to always be by your side. I promise to grow old with you. I promise to take care of you and our family to the best of my ability. I promise that I will do everything I can in this life to make you happy, smiling, and laughing.
My babe, my lover, my best friend, my life partner, my soulmate. I am so grateful to have found you in this life. You are the reason I started believing again, believing in love, marriage. This life we are building together is so special. I can't wait to see where we go from here. I know it's going to go fast, and I'm not ready for that because it feels like I already missed out on 20 years of loving you.
Greg, do you vow to honor, support, and care for Macy as your wife now and forever?
I do.
Macy, do you vow to honor, cherish, and support Greg as your husband now and forever?
It's about to happen. Yeah, I do.
Marriage, as I've learned, is not about perfection. It's about partnership. It's about finding someone who makes the hard days easier and the good days unforgettable. It's about building a life together hand in hand. May your days be filled with laughter. May your challenges make you stronger. And may you never forget that today is just beginning to go a lifetime of love.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my privilege to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Klimico. Greg, you may kiss your bride.
You know what it's like when you move away, and we know what it's like when there's a fear of loss. But this is not a loss, obviously. This is a gain. It's a gainer. We actually get to gain an extra dollar. We only have a few. We only have three, one extra with Batty, and then now we get another one with Macy. We're gonna keep growing the family. And it's just merging the families, which is always a good thing. And so we're super excited though. So that's really the main thing I was telling you guys, just you'll work through everything, and it's just as friends. Remember, you're nothing malicious. It's all for each other. And that's really all I have to say. So thank everybody else for coming out here and all these gifts we got. And all this extra family we have now as well.
When Macy came into Greg's life, I saw his confidence grow. He became a hiking dog dad, something I never saw coming. Watching you two together, it's obvious you're each other's person. You make each other better, stronger, and happier. May your lives together be full of moments that make every adventure, every challenge, and every memory worth it. Here's to love and a lifetime of being each other's best friends. To Greg and Macy, I love you both. Cheers.